Last year, the average 401k lost purchasing power for the third year in a row, not because the market crashed, but because inflation ate the gains alive. Meanwhile, gold quietly climbed over 65%, and silver 144%. And here's the part that blows my mind. There's a legal and tax advantage way to hold physical gold and silver inside your retirement account, and most people have never even heard of it. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works step by step. Heads up before we dive in. I'm a precious metals dealer, not a financial advisor. This is an education video, not financial advice. Always do your own research and talk to a qualified professional before making any moves with your money. I'm Jose with Summit Metals, where we cut through the noise so you can make smarter decisions about gold, silver, and your financial future. If you're new here, hit subscribe. You're going to want to see what's coming up next. Here's what most people don't realize. When you open a traditional IRA or a 401k at a big brokerage, you're basically handed a menu with 3 items: stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. That's it. And for decades, that was fine. The 60-40 portfolio was gospel. But something has shifted. In 2025, global gold demand topped 5,000 metric tons for the first time in history. Central banks bought over 800 tons in a single year. Retail investors hit a 12-year high in bar and coin buying. And gold set 53 new all-time price records. 53 in 1 year. Something is happening. And the question isn't whether gold and silver belong in a retirement portfolio. Increasingly, the question is why they're not already there. The answer, honestly, is that most people don't know there's a way to hold physical precious metals inside a tax-advantaged retirement account, a self-directed IRA. And once you understand how it works, you'll wonder why nobody has told you about it sooner. Here's what we're going to cover. First, I'm going to break down what a self-directed IRA is and what it's not, and why it's different from what you're used to. Then, I'll walk you through the exact steps from opening an account to holding the physical gold in a vault with your name on it. This also includes platinum. And at the end, I'm going to show you how Summit Metals handles the entire process for you and what most dealers won't tell you about buying metals for your IRA. Stick around for that. So let's start with the basics. You probably have some kind of retirement account, a 401k from work, maybe a Roth IRA when you opened it at Fidelity or Schwab. Those are great, but they come with limitation. Most people never question. You can only invest in what's in their approved list: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and maybe some ETFs. That is the whole menu in which you can invest into. A self-directed IRA, or an SD IRA, is a different animal. It still is an IRA, same tax advantages, same contribution limits, same rules. The only difference? You get to choose what goes inside it, such as real estate, private equity, crypto, and this is what you're here for: physical gold and silver. Now, there's an important part to all this. The IRS says you can get a hold of gold, silver, platinum, or palladium in your IRA as long as they meet specific purity standards. For gold, that is 99.5% pure. For silver, that is 99.9%. We're talking American Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, Buffalo coins, qualifying bars and rounds from accredited mints, not jewelry, not rare collector coins, investment grade bullion that meets the IRS specifications. I'll be honest, when I first learned that this was possible, my reaction was, why doesn't everyone do this? The answer is simple. Most big brokerages don't offer it because they don't make money when you buy gold. They make money when you buy their funds. So there never had an incentive to tell you about this option existing. But it does exist. It's completely legal. And it's been available since 1997 when the Taxpayer Relief Act made it possible. And the number of people using it is growing fast. Which brings us to obvious next question. How do you actually set one up? How does this actually work? I'm going to break it into 5 steps, and I promise it's much simpler than it sounds. Step 1. You need a custodian. And no, this isn't optional, it's a federal law. The IRS requires every IRA to be held by a qualified custodian. That's the company that handles the paperwork, holds the account, files the report with the IRS, and makes sure everything stays compliant. Think of them as the administrative backbone of your account. Most custodians at big banks do not support precious metals. You need one that specializes in self-directed accounts. That's the key word, self-directed. The custodian we work with at Summit Metals is Equity Trust Company. They've been around since 1974. The IRS approved them as a custodian since 1983. They have over 50 years in business. They hold more than $81 billion in retirement assets across 350,000 accounts. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. This is an institutional grade custodianship in which we've partnered with and that is approved by the IRS. Step 2, open and fund the account. Equity Trust, being our partner, lets you do this entirely online through their MyEquity platform. You fill out the application, choose your account type, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP, simple, even solo 401k. And then you fund it, as in you roll over your money into it or put money into it. We can also help you with the paperwork. Just call us. So if you have an old 401k from a job you left 3 years ago that's just sitting there in a target fund and that you never chose, you can reach out, roll that 401k directly into your self-directed IRA, no taxes, no penalties, and you get to use the fund to buy physical gold and silver or platinum. Equity Trust will even initiate the transfer with your old custodian on your behalf. You won't need to deal with a call center trying to figure out how to wire your instructions over or ACH it. Step 3. You must choose the precious metals dealer in which you want to buy the gold and silver from. The custodian is not the ones who sell you the gold or silver. And this is where Summit Metals comes in. Once your account is funded, you work with us to select the specific gold or silver products that you want into your IRA. American Gold Eagles, Silver Maple Leaves, qualifying bars or rounds. We will walk through it with you on what is IRS eligible, what makes sense for your goals, and what the current market looks like for your portfolio. Again, we won't provide you financial advice. What we'll provide you is an understanding of the products that you could purchase. The custodian does not choose your dealer. You do. And the dealer doesn't choose your custodian. This is your account, and every decision is yours. We're just here to make those decisions easier. Step 4, you now make the purchase, and you and your dealer, in this case, Summit Metals, submit a direction of investment form to Equity Trust. That's basically saying, hey, I want to use my IRA funds to buy these specific coins or bars. Your SD IRA sends the funds directly to Summit Metals. We ship the metals straight to your chosen depository. Your IRA funds never touch your personal bank account. It's clean, IRS compliant transaction. Now, step 5, the storage. This part people always ask about. By law, you cannot take personal possession of the precious metals held in your IRA. They have to be stored in an IRS approved depository. And honestly, that's a feature, not a bug. These are facilities with vaults, armed security, insurance, regular audits, and authentication testing. Through any SD IRA, such as Equity Trust, in which we've partnered with, you've got multiple options, such as depositing in a Delaware depository, through Loomis International, or Brinks. Your metals are itemized into your account. You can log in to MyEquity at any time and see exactly what you own, where it's stored, and what's worth at its current spot price. That's step 5, and that's it. And from the dealer side, I can tell you, when the custodian is Equity Trust and the dealer is Summit Metals, the whole thing usually takes a couple weeks from start to finish. It's one of the smoothest processes I've seen in the industry, which is why we're working with them. And that matters, because I know a lot of people put this off because they assume it's complicated, and it really is not. It's quite simple. Just give us a call and we'll walk you through. So now you know how the process works. But here's where I want to get real with you, because there are some things about precious metals IRAs that a lot of people get wrong, and a few things most dealers will not tell you. First, not all gold is IRA eligible. I can't tell you how many people call me and say, I want to put my gold coins in my IRA. And I have to explain, those old coins you have inherited from your grandfather, those are numismatic collector pieces. They probably don't qualify. The IRS has specific purity requirements. Slab coins, the ones that you see in those graded cases, aren't allowed. It also has to be investment grade bullion that meets the minimum fineness standards, as in 999 fineness. Second, you can't store IRA metals at home. I know it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many companies out there imply you can. If you take personal possessions of the metals held in your IRA, the IRS treats it as a distribution. That means taxes. And if you're under 59 and a half, it means penalties too. Don't fall for anyone who tells you otherwise. Third, and this is the big one, watch out for dealers who push you into high premium numismatic coins instead of straightforward bullion. Some dealers make massive margins on rare coins and convince people they're better IRA investments. They're not. For most investors, you want the lowest premium over spot possible. And American Eagles, Maple Leafs, Standard Bars, that's what builds real value over time within an IRA account. At Summit Metals, we don't do that. We're always going to recommend the products that make the most sense for your portfolio, not the ones that pad our margins. That's the difference between a dealer who educates and a dealer who sells. This is why we created our Summit Metals YouTube channel, to educate. And look, all of this matters more right now than maybe it ever has. Gold is trading over $4,600 as the time of this recording. Silver has had its strongest run in over a decade. Central banks around the world are stockpiling gold like they know something we don't. But here's where it really gets me. Total retirement assets in the US are approaching $40 trillion. And the vast majority of that, the overwhelming majority, is sitting in stocks, bonds, and funds that move with the same market. When the market drops, everything drops together. That is just a different flavor of concentration risk. Physical gold and silver don't correlate to the stock market. They don't depend on a CEO making a good earnings call. They're not a promise for a counterparty. They are tangible. They are real. And inside a self-directed IRA, they get the same tax advantage as every other stock in your current portfolio. Think about that. Tax-deferred growth on an asset that's been a store of value for 5,000 years, or tax-free withdrawals in a Roth on physical gold you actually own. That is powerful. So here's what I want you to take away from this. A gold or silver IRA isn't some exotic, complicated financial maneuver. It's a straightforward retirement account with the same tax benefits you already use. That lets you own something real. Something that doesn't depend on a stock market, the Fed, or some algorithm making split-second decisions with your future. The process is a 5-step process. Pick a custodian, open and fund the account, choose the dealer you trust, such as Summit Metals, buy an IRS-approved metal, store them in a secure insured vault. That is the whole thing. And when you work with Summit Metals and Equity Trust, we handle the coordination so you're not stuck navigating paperwork alone. You don't have to move your entire portfolio. Financial advisors typically suggest 5 to 15% of your precious metals for diversification. If you watched our previous videos on Sharpe ratio, it's around 20%. But the key is to start, because the people who understand this, who take the time to learn how it works and then actually take the steps, are the ones who sleep better at night, knowing part of their retirement isn't riding entirely on Wall Street's next mood swing. And that is exactly why I do this channel. Not to sell you something, to make sure you have the information to make the best decision for you and your family. That's what Summit Metals is about, elevating your wealth. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, do you already have a self-directed IRA? If not, what's been holding you back? Is it the process? Is it the cost? I read every single comment, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. If you got value from this video, smash that like button. It genuinely helps us reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming up next. We've got a deep dive on silver's industrial demand story that I think is going to blow your mind. This is Jose Gomez with Summit Metals. Stay informed, stay prepared, and as always, stack smart. Happy stacking, everyone.